Let's take a deep rundown on tools and techniques of sequence activities process. At first, we have dependencies determination. First type of dependency that is used to define sequence between the activities is called mandatory dependency. Some tasks have to be performed in set order. Other things you can do in any order you want. Activities which must obey a strict order are bound by a hard logic or mandatory dependency. As an example, on a construction project, foundation has to be laid down first to erect the structure. So there involves a physical limitation. So it's absolutely not possible to alter this dependency. This is because there is a physical relationship. Mandatory dependencies are or can be due to imposed relationships, such as regulatory or contractual requirements. As an example, a contract can mandate using a phased approach, where a portion of work has to be implemented after another portion. Mandatory dependencies can also be due to safety requirements. For example, two activities cannot be undertaken simultaneously because there is a safety concern. A crew cannot work on second floor of the building because of the ongoing work on the first floor of the building. As another example, hard disk has to be installed to install the operating system, and operating system has to be there to install any further software. Next, we have discretionary dependencies. These are also called soft logic. There is no hard and fast rule. It's just because of the best practice of an organization or lessons learned from the previous experience. For example, if you are shifting into a new home, you can fix the LED TV on the wall first, and then you can fix the curtains on the wall. Or you can do it other way around. Dependency between fixing the LED on the wall and curtains on the wall is because we may have one resource to work on both of these tasks. Next in line are the external dependencies. Whenever you have an external constraint, like you are dependent on external suppliers or vendors to deliver the material or service, you are externally dependent. So maybe you are depending on an output of another project. So that deliverable may be becoming the input for your project or a stepping stone for your project. So you have an external dependency on the other project within the organization. Then we have internal dependencies. These are kind of hard logic because certain project team members may not be available to work on the activity because of the other assignments or because of the vacations. Therefore, project manager may say that it has to be done in this order. All right, get going. You are doing good job. See you in the next lecture.